All right, YouTube family, today is a fun video because we are giving away more scholarships, and it's always fun to give away awesome things. So in the last month's scholarship giveaway, I said that in August, we were gonna be giving away 4 scholarships, but in reality, we decided to give away 7 scholarships. I think, wait, that's 7 right there. So we're gonna be giving away 3 more than we promised. So I'm really excited to just list off all the names of the winners. So without further ado, if this sounds good to you, leave a big thumbs up and let's get into it. So we picked some of our winners from the YouTube comment section and then some of our winners from Discord. So I'm gonna start by giving 3 winners from the YouTube comments. So the very first winner of our Axie scholarship for August is named Johan Truter. He says, "Give me the Axie team," and we are gonna give you the Axie team. So just wait for that DM, and I'll make sure that you get an epic Axie team to start playing Axie Infinity. Now looking at the second winner from the YouTube comment section, we have B Spooky Tanks, and he says, "So would be nice to get a scholarship." Well, it's nice, and you are getting a scholarship. So really excited, you'll get a DM as well. And now our final winner from the YouTube comment section, drum roll please, we have Kawaii Sawan, who says, "I hope to be a scholar and be part of your team. My motto, sleep is for the weak." Well, just so you know, sleep actually makes you live longer. Sleep will also make you a better player, but I'm glad to have you on the team. So those were our 3 winners from the YouTube comment section. Now we're gonna pick 4 winners from Discord. Our very first winner from the Discord is named Said Mobin Shah. I hope I pronounced your name right. If I did not, please forgive me. I think you will though, because you are also going to be winning a free Axie team in order to play and earn inside Axie Infinity. You'll be getting a DM as well. Next up, we have 3 more winners, and these Discord winners I picked because they were the most active and most helpful in the general comment section of our Axie Infinity Discord. So if you were one of those super active people, you might be hearing your name in the next 3. The first we have Lord JSauce, who has been super helpful with new people in the Discord, helping them learn how to enter to win the scholarship giveaway, and also helping them learn a little bit about Axie Infinity. So congratulations, Lord JSauce, you'll be getting a DM and we'll help you set up your Axie Infinity team very soon. Next up, we have another super active member of our Discord channel named James Ryan, and he says good morning almost every single morning in the Axie Discord. So I know he's dedicated, I know he's thinking about Axie all the time, and I know he's going to be a great member to our team. He's also pretty helpful to those who have questions, so really glad to have you on the team, James. You'll be getting a DM very soon. All right, so now we have our very last, our 7th winner for the August scholarship giveaway. So drum roll please, I know you're all hoping it's you. The winner is Jaff. Jaff has been another super active member of the scholarship Discord, really helpful to new players as well. And I love how he's always so positive, saying things like, let's hope for the best. And I know you really want to win a scholarship, so congratulations, you have won a scholarship. Now, for those of you guys who didn't win, you're probably wondering, okay, how do I enter into the next giveaway? So I have a couple things to say about that. So we are not going to be running another month-long scholarship giveaway. Honestly, they're like super long competitions and people have to wait a really long time. So what we're gonna be doing is I will probably just be picking slowly people over the month. Like if I think someone's being really helpful or just like super stand out, I might just reach out to them and say, hey, would you like a scholarship team? So it's gonna be a little bit more of a casual competition going forward, where I just reach out to people either in the YouTube comments who seem like really helpful or kind people, or I just reach out to someone in the Discord who seems to be helpful as well. So just so you know, we're not running another one of those competitions where you have to subscribe and like, but you should subscribe and like anyway. But we are still going to be giving out more scholarships in the future. So if you're not part of our scholarship Discord yet, you can join it in the link below. And you guys can continue to feel free to submit to the apply for a scholarship in that chat. And that's fine as well. And I might look through there and pick a few people from there as well. But I'm still really excited about Axie Infinity. There are a ton of incredible things happening for Axie Infinity in the future. We have Battles version 2 still coming out. We have Lunacia coming out as well. So there's some really cool catalysts. We also have Axie burning on the way, which I cannot wait for. So I'm still really bullish on this game, and I look forward to giving a lot of you more scholarships in the future. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, leave a big thumbs up, as that will help out this video a ton in the YouTube algorithm and will help more people find out about our awesome scholarship program. And then if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Make sure you hit subscribe and click that notification bell, and you will be notified when we post future content. I will end by saying thank you to our incredible Patreon supporters. You guys are the ones who are enabling us to make this content. I say it every video, but I don't make these by myself. Nate, my brother, edits these videos and does an incredible job. And Josh, our friend, does the sound engineering, original intro and outro music. So thank you guys so much for supporting our team. And until next time, have fun in Axie Infinity and have fun roaming the metaverse.